life. Pour joindre un monde qui s'y relax. Moi pas demander pour Dieu too much. Seulement un monde qui comprend love. Si m'da un problème médical, la kembe même la toujours là. Avec la vie pas compliquée.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. If it's your first time watching me, welcome to the family. And thank you for subscribing, for sharing, and for liking. So I think I recently posted 2 new videos, and I will beg you guys to go watch it. I still have a lot of work to do, like especially on the editing and everything, but listen, it's a learning process, right? You guys gonna go through the journey with me, and I'm open to all the suggestions and ideas that you guys may have. So yeah, please inbox me, text me, DM me, messenger me, all of it. So thank you again for giving me your time. This is so precious, for giving me your precious time to watch me and to follow me on all the social media. So thank you again, guys. So today I have a new video for you. So I recently celebrated my 28th birthday. 28th birthday. I still cannot believe it. I'm 28 years old. Like the other day I was 15. I don't know what happened. I guess time happened. So yeah, and I just celebrated my 28th birthday. So this video, it's basically to show you guys how I celebrated my birthday, and it was nothing really extraordinary, but it was very meaningful to me. And I received a gift. I received a camera. So I told my husband Kevin that I wanted to start a YouTube channel because everybody asked me to start a YouTube channel. But guess what? On my birthday, he surprised me with cam. I still haven't used it, so I'm still using my phone to do my videos, but I really need to get with the camera. I guess there's a lot of stuff. Hey guys, so this video is about my 28th birthday. So I feel like I'm at the end of my 20s. Timon, when I was 15, I couldn't wait. I could not wait to be 20, to be 25. Like, I thought when I was 20, I even thought when I was 21, that was it. I was like, okay, I'm gonna be 21, and listen, ain't nobody can tell me nothing. All right, 21, gone. 22, 23. All right, so then I was like, shit, I can't wait to be 25. Because when I'm 25, that will be it for me. That'll be it. 26, 27. Now I'm 28. Now I'm not, wait, hold up. I'm not ready for 30 yet. Hold up. Yeah, I'm 2 years to be 30 years old. And at the same time, like, I'm 28. I do a step back and look and be like, everything that I have accomplished in my 20s, and I'm like, you did it, girlfriend, you did it. So 28 is just a number. Your age is just a number. Like, don't really focus on the age, on the number, but look at what you accomplish at your age. Like at 28, I'm a professional. I don't depend on my parents. I have my own family. I'm married. I have a daughter, and yeah, I have a career, and I'm like, I've done it. Like, I'm very proud of myself. And 28 is just a number, and I'm pretty sure I have like another 100 in this earth, so I'm not scared. So yeah, I'm just so happy. And yeah, my 28th birthday, For people who doesn't know me, I used to live in New York City, Queens, and I moved here in Philadelphia about a year and a half ago because my husband found a job here, and it's only me, Kevin, and the baby. I don't know. But I'm not for my mom too, because my mom is like my everything, my everything. Back on him. See, my mom back my mom. Back on time, I swear, because anyway, that's gonna be another video and another talk, so let's skip that. So mama, this is for you. I love you. So yeah, this year for my 28th birthday, my sister and her fiance drove 2 hours to surprise me on my birthday. And I was so happy because I didn't know she was gonna come. I mean, I didn't even want to do anything for my birthday. It was only me, Kevin, and Layla. And I was like, all right, let's just go to dinner and, you know, spend family time, whatever. And my sister came. I love you. Melissa, I love you. Dustin, I love you. So yeah, they drove here to celebrate with me, and I really appreciate it. So we went to a circus for my birthday, and it was very fun, and then we went out to eat. So guys, I'm just gonna put the clips. Please watch it and enjoy it. I really had a good time for my birthday, so thank you for everybody who wished me a happy birthday and really took the time to you know, sometimes one text is meaningful, you know, that means that person really thought about you, and I feel really appreciated. So thank you guys, I love you. All right, so watch the clip. Bye. giving me your time again, for watching the video, and for liking and sharing and inviting more people. Please guys, subscribe, because I have so much stuff to post on this channel, and I'm really so excited about all the ideas that are coming to me. And yeah, so please invite your friends, please post about this channel on your social media, on your page, so more people can come and join this family. So yeah, thank you guys for liking, sharing, subscribing. I love every single one of you, and I appreciate you. For giving me your time. I really appreciate you. So thank you guys, and à bientôt. I'll see you later for another video. Bye.